Okay, so we have some avocados, we have some bananas. I basically just typed in all of the benefits of these items, so if you go through them you just see. Anyways, we have some eggs. If your hair is long, I advise you use more than one egg. My hair is short, so I basically just used one egg. And olive oil also. Olive oil is essential to this mixture. This is not an organic olive oil. If you do have your hands on one, please by all means indulge. And we have some shea butter. Shea butter is essential for this recipe or mixture because it's high in moisturizing and conditioning. Also honey as well. Honey is like acts like a moisturizer to conditioner. Basically everything in this whole mixture is aimed towards conditioning and moisturizing. So I use like 6 bananas and 1 avocado because my hair is short. Like I said that like a zillion times, my hair is short. 1 egg also because my hair is short. If your hair is longer, please ladies, by all means, use more than 1 egg. So I used 1 tablespoon of shea butter because my hair is short. 1 tablespoon of honey because my hair is short. I've said that again and again. And 3 tablespoons of olive oil. I don't even think like everything here is like a standard recipe amount or whatever. I think you should just indulge with what you're comfortable with. Yeah, basically. So we have coconut oil. Coconut oil is really essential to this mixture. You can't do this mixture without coconut oil. And then I just added my base. Obviously my base is banana, but I just like to use a little bit of conditioner to just thicken the whole thing to make it thick enough. You don't want those things running down your face. So you make sure you blend everything really smooth, no chunks. And I apply it on my hair. I basically just applied it like I'm applying relaxer. You want to apply it from roots to end. Cover up your hair with it. And yeah, and then I put in some plastic bag. Putting in some plastic bag to seal so that nothing runs down my face. I usually do this in the night so that I can sleep with it and wake up to a moisturized hair. So I've washed it off. Make sure you wash your hair with cold water and wash your hair like several times so that you don't have like chunks of banana on your hair. Trust me, and that thing is difficult to remove, so wash your hair several times. So I just washed my hair and detangled it, and I forgot to include that in the video. I actually used Cantu leave-in conditioner before I actually added oil on my hair. So I'm basically just doing like a length check. I think my hair is like a year now, so that's like the length it is right now for a year. So guys, that's the end of this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Love you guys. Bye.